Hi, second grade. Today we are going to use equal groups to build arrays. So when we have equal groups, we have the same amount of something in each group. So our first problem, 3 groups of 4. So if I have 3 groups of 4, I draw out 3 boxes, and in each box we have how many? Good, 4. Three groups of 4. But today, we're going to use these equal groups to help us build arrays. So let's look at what an array is. Okay, so we're still working with 3 equal groups of 4, but this time we're going to arrange them a little differently than we did here. We're going to arrange them in what we call rows. So when we have equal groups, that tells us, the number of equal groups tells us how many rows we're going to make, okay? So 3 equal groups of 4. How many rows will we make? We're going to make 3 rows. And how many belong in each row? 4. Good. So each row, just like each group, is going to have 4 objects. This is one row of 4. When we sit in a row, if we're at a baseball game, the movie theaters, a play, something like that, you sit next to each other. You have people next to you. It goes horizontally like this, side to side. So in this row, we have 4 objects. But we're not done building our array yet because we have 3 equal groups of 4. But I just have 1 group of 4. So we need 2 more groups. It's okay that the color's not the same, as long as we have the same amount. We now have 3 equal groups of 4 because we have 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, and there's 4 in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, maybe seeing it like this, all in one spot, instead of like this, helps you find the total more easily. So how many do we have all together? Good. We have 12 objects all together. Okay, we're going to try another one. Okay, now we have 5 equal groups of 2. 5 equal groups. Maybe you like to draw boxes out to remind yourself of how many equal groups you have. And how many would go in each box then? Good. We have 2 in each box. Now in our array, when we have 5 equal groups tell us how many rows we have. So how many belong in our first row? How many belong in our first row? 2, because we have 2 objects in each group, and a row is a group. Are we done yet? No, because we need 5 equal groups of 2, and we only have 1. Now we have 2. Now we have 3. We have 4. And we have 5. So our array is complete. We have 5 equal groups of 2. We can count by 2s to help us find the answer. We can count by 2s to help us find the answer. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Good. So we're going to work a little bit more on finding the totals in the arrays, using some different strategies, some things that might help you. And skip counting is definitely one of those. So I want you to continue practicing your skip counting skills. Okay? So you can practice these skills by going on iReady or STMath for 10 minutes. Okay? Good work, mathematicians. Until tomorrow,